Welcome to the Milestone Homes Property Podcast series, your guide to property management in Dubai. Can a golf course community in Dubai really be affordable, offering the lowest price per square feet compared to the other golf course communities in Dubai, where every new launch sells out instantly and delivers outstanding capital appreciation? Let me introduce you to Emaar South, a hidden gem by Emaar Properties and one of the Dubai's most promising investment hotspots. Whether you're planning to buy, hold or sell, this is a community you need to watch. But before we dive into Emaar South, let's zoom out to the bigger picture. Dubai South, a visionary development spread across 145 square kilometers designed to contribute 35% of Dubai's GDP. This isn't just a residential zone. It's a fully integrated city of the future centered around the Al Maktoum International Airport, which will be the largest in the world, handling 220 million passengers and 16 million tons of cargo annually. This area is also home to Expo City, the legacy site of Expo 2020, now transforming into global business hub, attracting Fortune 500 companies. Add to that Jebel Ali Port, the Free Zone, the Logistics District, Aviation City, and the soon-to-arrive Etihad Rail, and you have the backbone of Dubai's next economic corridor. What does this mean for you as an investor? Government-led infrastructure, multi-billion-dollar investments, and a future-ready urban master plan all signal significant capital growth potential. Now let's talk about Emaar South, only villa townhouse golf community within Dubai South, strategically located near the airport, Expo City and the major highways like Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road, Emirates Road and the Sheikh Zayed Road. It's just 20 minutes from Dubai Marina, 30 minutes from downtown and around 1 hour to Abu Dhabi. The community itself spans 6.7 million square meters and is built around 103.5 hectare, 18-hole championship golf course, set to be fully operational by December 2025. It offers everything from schools, clinics, mosques and nurseries to 4 kilometers of linear parks, 48 hectares of open green space and 25 plus community parks. But let's talk numbers. The real reason Emaar South is catching investors' attention. You've got diverse launches tailored to all buyer profile. In fact, Emaar South's masterpiece includes 15,360 apartment units and 7,340 villas and townhouses. Emaar South today is what Dubai Hills Estate was a few years ago. Early investors there are now sitting on 200 to 300% returns as Al Maktoum Airport's expansion creates up to 20,000 new jobs and Vision 2040 pushes Dubai's population towards 7.8 million. Demand for housing in this zone will surge. This also sets the stage for a booming short-term rental market thanks to an influx of business travelers and tourists. With limited golf course communities and growing demand, rental yields are expected to grow strong. If you are an end user, you're getting a green, peaceful, a well-connected community. If you are an investor, you're getting entry-level price in a golf course development by Emaar, a rare combination. And here's the kicker. New launches are coming very soon, including a cluster of 3 and 4 bedroom townhouses and a golf point style building that's expected to sell out in minutes. So whether you're looking to secure your family's future or grow your real estate portfolio, Emaar South should be the top of your list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And get in touch to reserve your spot in Dubai's next big thing. Thanks for watching.